Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be checking out the Supcase Unicorn Beetle Pro case for the Z Flip 5. Picked this up on Amazon. I think it was like $31, $31, $34, something like that. Alright, so all it's in there. Kind of weird to have a phone case come in a square little box like that. But here we go, nicely packaged and protected. Alright, tells you not to insert the case face up in the holster. It will damage the holster. So make sure you put it screen side down, I guess is what it is telling you. Well, it's already in the holster, so I guess we can just look at how it is. So there you go. So don't put it in like that. Alright, so we're just going to package everything. We'll put the holster off to the side real quick. Alright, this one does have a screen protector on it, which I don't really care for. Because I already have one on there and I'm not going to take it off because I just bought it yesterday. Alright, I'm going to peel this adhesive off. I don't really care for this adhesive either, but the strip is going to be in the way. If I don't, I'm going to have to take this back off later when I get a, when I do my OnePlus, or my Whitestone screen protector. I was just watching a OnePlus video. So I'm just going to wipe this down as much as possible. It doesn't come with anything to clean it before you install it. So we're just going to open up the hinge there and put that in. Let's see, we're going to see how this goes with this screen protector. Sometimes I'll pull those screen protectors off, like I'll rip the plastic off, but we'll give it a shot and see how it does. It looks like it's going to be alright. It's pretty responsive, so not too worried about that. Looks like we do have some, like a little rainbowing effect down here on the corner from the glass screen protector underneath, but like I said, I just bought that yesterday, so I'm not going to take it off already. Alright, can this go in? It says inserting it face up. Well, yeah, it says inserting it face up will damage it, but then they have it face down. There's no screen up here. So yeah, that's how it goes. So it's kind of opposite of the picture. They have an X on that, but that should be the correct way. It says don't do it face down. It says that will damage the holster, which I can see. I can see that because it looks like the back is a little bit thicker. It looks like it's kind of relying on that screen opening or something like that. But there we go. Kind of a funny looking phone case in 2022. Just a little square phone. Last time I had a phone this size, it was a Verizon Blitz. It was a slider phone. But that is the case. Very nice. Feels nice in the hand. The little bump back there with the hinge protector gives you a little finger grip kind of deal right there, and you can just push it closed. It looks like, let's see. Yeah, so the top doesn't close by itself. You do have to push it closed. It's not like spring loaded or anything. I hated those on Fold 5 cases because when you close the phone like a book, it was almost like an extra step to close those. But with this one, you can pretty much just, if you push on it a little bit just to get the screen started closing, and then you close it the rest of the way, it pretty much comes down on its own. So not too bad there. And then, like I said, I like the holster because it protects the whole thing. If you're going to throw this in your pocket or whatnot, you can actually, it's a little bit translucent so you can see the screen through there as well. But yeah, definitely if you're going to be throwing this thing in a pocket, this little holster is a nice addition. Just keeps everything from scratching it all up and everything like that. And of course you can use it as a belt clip as well if you choose. I do find that these phones like to slide to the bottom of your pocket because they're so small when they're closed. So easy access like that with it on the belt on the clip. So that is the Supcase Unicorn Beetle Pro. Like I said, it was about $30, not too bad for a foldable case. A lot of these cases are quite expensive, so $30, $31, not too bad in my book, and this is the only one that I have seen so far for a folding device come with a holster. I am Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and as always, have a great day.